Hello and welcome to Lamishow 2. In this video, I'll share with you Fundamental of Programming 1 and the Fundamental of Programming 2 sample question and the answer. This exam is designed for students in computer science, information technology, information systems, software engineering, and computer science and engineering. I always create educational content like this exam to help students. So if you want to up to date with the latest video, hit the subscribe button and turn on notification and let's get started to our today's video. Question number 61. What is the correct syntax for C++ loop? The answer is A. The correct syntax for loop is for in the bracket initialization semicolon condition semicolon update. Update means increment or decrement. Then we have a statement in curly brace. Question number 62. What is the output of the following C++ program? A. X is greater than Y. B. Y is greater than or equal to X. C. X dy. The answer is A. The output of the program is X is greater than Y. Question number 63. What is the output of the following C++ program? 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. No output will be generated. The answer is A. The output of the program is 0, 1, 2. Question number 64. What is the output of the following C++ program? A. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 4. 0, 1, 2, no output will be generated. The answer is B. The output of the program is 0, 1, 2, 4. Question number 65. What is the output of the following C++ program? The answer is C. Question number 66. What is an array in C++? A collection of variables of different data type. B. A collection of variables of the same data type that are stored in contiguous memory location. B. C. Collection of functions. D. A collection of conditional statements. The answer is B. An array in C++ is a collection of variables of the same data type that's stored in contiguous memory location. Each element in the array can be accessed by its index. Question number 67. What is an array initialization? A. Statement that creates an array with a specific number of elements. B. Statement that assigns a value to element of the same of an array. Question number 67. What is an array initialization? A. Statement that creates an array with specific number of elements. B. Statement that assigns a value to the element of an array. C. Statement that declares the data type of an array. D. Statement that frees the memory used by an array. The answer is B. An array initialization is a statement that assigns a value to element of an array. 68. What is an array declaration? A. Statement that creates an array with a specific number of elements. B. A statement that initializes an array with a default value. C. A statement that assigns a value to the element of an array. D. A statement that frees a memory used by an array. The answer is A. An array declaration is a statement that creates an array with a specific number of elements. Question number 69. What is the size of an array? A. Number of elements in the array. B. The amount of memory allocated for the array. C. The data type of the array. D. The value of first element in the array. The answer is A. The size of an array is the number of elements it contains. Question number 70. How do you access the first element of an array in C++? The answer is A. The first element of an array in C++ can be accessed using index 0. The answer is A. The syntax for accessing an element of two-dimensional array in C++ is array, then angle bracket row, then angle bracket column. Question number 72. What is the correct syntax for passing an array to a function in C++? The answer is D. The correct syntax for passing an array to a function in C++ is function name, then in the bracket, int, then asterisk array. Question number 73. How do you find the size of an array in C++? The correct answer used to find size of an array in C++ is C. Question number 74. What is the correct syntax for declaring an array in C++? The correct syntax for declaring an array in C++ is int r, then in angle bracket 10 semicolon, where 10 is the number of element in the array. Question number 75. What is the correct syntax for declaring an array in C++? The answer is A. The correct syntax for declaring an array in C++ is arrayname, then angle bracket size, then semicolon, where the size is the number of element in the array. Question number 76. How do you access the first element of an array in C++? A, B, C, D. The answer is A. The last element of an array in C++ can be accessed using the index size -1. Question number 78. What is a multi-dimensional array in C++? An array that can store only one type of data, an array that can store multiple types of data, an array that has more than one index, an array that has more than one dimension. The answer is D. Multi-dimensional array in C++ is an array that has more than one dimension. Question number 79. What is the correct syntax for initializing two-dimensional array in C++? The correct answer is B. Question number 80. What is the syntax for accessing an element of three-dimensional array in C++? A, B, C, D. The syntax for accessing the element of a three-dimensional array in C++ is array, then angle bracket depth, then angle bracket row, then angle bracket column. Question number 81. What is a pointer in C++? A variable that stores the memory address of another variable, the variable that stores the value of another variable, the variable that stores the result of function call, the variable that stores a boolean value. The answer is A. Pointer in C++ is a variable that stores the memory address of another variable. Question number 82. How do you declare a pointer in C++? A, B, C, D. The best answer is A. The pointer in C++ is declared using a syntax pointer type asterisk pointer name then semicolon. Question number 83. What is the difference between pointer and reference in C++? A pointer stores a memory address of another variable, while a reference is an alias for variable. B. A pointer can be null, while a reference cannot. C. A pointer can be reassigned to point to different memory location, while reference cannot. D. All of the above. The answer is D. The difference between pointer and reference in C++ is that pointer stores a memory address of variables, while reference is alias for variable. Additionally, pointer can be null and can be reassigned to point to a different memory location, while a reference cannot. Question number 84. What is the purpose of constant keyword or const keyword when declaring a pointer in C++? A. It makes a pointer immutable so that it cannot be reassigned to a point to different memory location. B. It makes the value pointed to by the pointer mutable so that it cannot be modified. C. It makes the pointer a constant value so that it cannot be changed. D. It has no effect on the pointer declaration. The answer is B. The purpose of const keyword when declaring a pointer in C++ is to make a value pointed to by the pointer immutable so that it cannot be modified. Question number 85. What is one-dimensional array? Array with only one element, an array with two dimensions, an array with multiple dimensions, an array with only one index or subscript. The answer is D. A one-dimensional array is a collection of elements of the same data type stored in continuous memory location, with each element accessed using a single index or a subscript. Question number 86. What is a multi-dimensional array? An array with only one index or subscript, an array with two dimensions, an array with multiple dimensions, an array with only one element. The answer is C. A multiple dimensional array is an array with more than one index or subscript, allowing for storage of element in multiple dimension or layers. Question number 87. What is a pointer in programming? A variable that stores the memory address of another variable, a variable that stores the value of another variable, a variable that stores the data type of another variable, a variable that stores the size of another variable. The answer is A. Question number 88. What is pointer arithmetic? A. A process of performing arithmetic operation on pointer. B. A process of converting pointer to integer. C. A process of converting integer to pointer. D. A process of converting pointer to string. The answer is A. Pointer arithmetic involves using arithmetic operators like plus, minus, increment, decrement to perform operation on a pointer. Question number 89. What is a pointer to a pointer? A. Variable that stores the memory address of a pointer. B. A variable that stores the value of pointer. C. A variable that stores the data type of a pointer. D. A variable that stores the size of a pointer. The answer is A. A pointer to pointer is a variable that holds the memory address of another pointer, allowing for indirect access to the value pointed to by the second pointer. Question number 90. What is a function pointer? A pointer that points to a function, a pointer that points to an array, a pointer points to structure, pointer that points to a file. The answer is A. Pointer that points to a function. A pointer function is a pointer that holds the memory address of a function, allowing for indirect calling of that function. Question number 91. Which one of the following is correct syntax for declaring a pointer variable in C++? A, B, C, D. The answer is D. The answer is D. This declares a pointer variable named ptr that points to a variable of data type int, and the symbol or the x symbol or the asterisk symbol indicate that the variable is a pointer. Question number 92. What is the purpose of ampersand or AND operator in C++? To create a reference to variables, to create a pointer to variables, to perform a logical AND operation, to perform bitwise AND operations. The answer is A. The AND symbol or the ampersand symbol in C++ is used to create a reference to variables, allowing for indirect access to that variable. Question number 93. What is the purpose of asterisk or these symbols operator in C++? A. To create a reference to variable. B. To create pointer to variable. C. To perform multiplication operation. D. To perform dereferencing operator. The answer is D. This asterisk symbol in C++ is used to dereference a pointer, allowing for direct access to the value pointed to by the pointer. Question number 94. What is the function declaration? A. Statement that defines the name, return type, and the parameter of a function. B. A statement that calls a function. C. Statement that initializes a function. D. Statement that frees memory used by a function. The answer is A. A function declaration is a statement that declares the names, return type, and the parameter of a function. Question number 95. What is the syntax for declaring a function in C++? A, B, C, D. The answer is B. Question number 96. What is a function definition? A. The statement that defines the name, return type, parameter of function. A statement that calls a function. A statement that initializes a function. A statement that frees memory used by a function. The answer is A. A function definition is a statement that both declares and defines the name, return type, and the parameter of function. Question number 97. What is a return statement in function? A. Statement that returns a value from a function. B. A statement that terminates a function. C. A statement that initializes a function. D. A statement that frees memory used by a function. The answer is A. A return statement is a statement that in a function that returns a value to the calling function. Question number 98. What is a parameter in a function? A. A value passed to a function when it is called. B. A value returned from a function. C. A value stored in a function. D. A value stored to initialize the function. The answer is A. A parameter is a value that is passed to a function when it is called, allowing the function to operate on the value. Question number 99. What is a local variable in a function? A variable declared inside a function that can only be accessed within that function. A variable declared outside function that can be accessed by any function. A variable declared inside a function that can be accessed by any function. A variable declared outside a function that can only be accessed within that function. The answer is A. A local variable is a variable declared inside a function that can only be accessed within that function and it is not visible outside of that function. Question number 100. What is a callback function? A function that is passed as an argument to another function and is called when a certain event occurs. A function that calls another function. A function that returns a value. A function that initializes another functions. The answer is A. A callback function is a function that is passed as an argument to another function and it is called when a certain event occurs. Question number 101. What is a function object? A. An object that behaves like a function. B. An object that stores a data element of the same data type. An object that is used to control the flow of program. An object that is used to manage a memory allocation. The answer is A. A function object is an object that behaves like a function, allowing for use of function-like behavior in object-oriented programming. Question number 102. What is a local variable in a function? A. A variable declared inside a function that can only be accessed within that function. B. A variable that declared outside a function that can be accessed by any function. C. A variable declared inside a function that can be accessed by any function. D. A variable declared outside function that can be only accessed within that function. The answer is a variable declared inside a function that can be only accessed within that function is called local variable. Question number 103. What is a function template? A. Generic function that can operate on different data type. B. A function that returns value. C. A function that calls another function. D. A function that initializes another function. The answer is A. A function template is a generic function that can operate on different data type, allowing for code reuse and flexibility. Question number 104. What is a function overloading? A. Defining multiple functions within the same name but different parameter. B. Defining multiple functions with the same name and the same parameter. D. Defining a function that can operate on different data type. D. Defining a function that can operate on different number of parameters. The answer is A. Function overloading is defining multiple functions within the same name but different parameters, allowing for multiple functions to perform similar tasks with different input. Question number 105. What is the purpose of header file in C++? To declare function and variables that are used in the program, to define function and variables that are used in program, to import libraries that are used in program, to export function and variables that are used in program. The answer is A. A header file in C++ is used to declare function and variables that are used in program, allowing the compiler to understand the types and the names of these entities. Question number 106. What is a library in programming? A collection of compiled function and a class that can be used in the program. A collection of source code files that make up a program. A collection of data type and variable used in program. D. A collection of documentation file for the program. The answer is A. A library in programming is a collection of pre-compiled function and a class that can be used in program, allowing for code reuse and modular programming. Question number 107. What is the purpose of open function in C++ file stream? A. To close file. To open file. C. To read data from file. D. To write data to file. The answer is B. The open function in C++ file stream is used to open a file, allowing the program to read from or write to that file. Question number 108. What is the purpose of close function in C++ file stream? A. To close file. B. To open file. C. To read data from file. D. To write data to file. The answer is A. The close function in C++ file stream is used to close a file that has been previously opened, ensuring no data or no further data can be read from or written to that file. Question number 109. What is the purpose of write function in C++ file stream? A. To read data from a file. B. To write data to a file. C. To read and write data to a file. D. To perform data for output to the console? The answer is B. The write function in C++ file stream is used to write data into a file, allowing a program to save data to a file for a later use or retrieval. Question number 110. What is the purpose of the read function in C++ file stream? A. To read data from a file. B. To write data to a file. C. To read and write data to a file. D. To format data for output to the console. The answer is A. The read function in C++ file stream is used to read data from a file, allowing the program to retrieve data that has been previously saved to a file. Question number 111. What is the purpose of using directive in C++ namespace? A. To import all the number of namespace into the current scope. B. To import the specific member of namespace into a current scope. C. To export all a member of namespace for the current scope. D. To export a specific member of namespace from the current scope. The answer is A. Using directive in C++ namespace is used to import all members of namespace into the current scope and allowing them to be used without the need for fully qualified names. Question number 112. What is an exception in C++? A. An error that occurs during the file execution of program that can be handled by the program. B. An error that can occur during the executions of program that cannot be handled by the program. C. A warning that occurs during the compilation of program that can be ignored. C. A warning that occurs during the compilation of program that cannot be ignored. The answer is A. An exception in C++ is an error that occurs during the execution of program that can be handled by program, allowing for a graceful recovery from the error. Question number 113. What is the purpose of try-catch block in C++? A. To handle exception that may be thrown by a block of code. B. To prevent exception from being thrown by the block of code. C. To catch all errors that occurs during the execution of program. D. To throw an exception when a condition is met. The answer is A. The try-catch block in C++ is used to handle exception that may be thrown by a block of code, allowing the program to recover from error that occur during execution. Question number 114. What is the component of function in C++? A. Variable and operator. B. Argument and parameter. C. Class and object. D. Loop and condition. The component of function in C++ include argument and parameter, which are used to pass the value to function and receives value from the function respectively. Question number 115. What is the difference between passing parameter by value and passing parameter by reference in C++? Passing parameter by value creates a copy of original argument, while passing parameter by reference uses original argument directly. B. Passing parameter by value use original argument directly, while passing parameter by reference create a copy of original argument. C. Passing parameter by value and passing parameter by reference are the same thing. D. Passing parameter by value and passing parameter by reference are not possible in C++. The answer is A. Passing parameter by value create a copy of the original argument, while passing parameter by reference use the original argument directly, allowing for change made to the argument to persist outside the function. Question number 116. Which one of the following best describes a homogeneous data type in C++? A. Data type that can hold a value of different data type or different types. B. A data type that can hold only one value at a time. C. A data type that can hold value of the same type. D. A data type that does not exist in C++. The answer is C. A homogeneous data type in C++ is a data type that can hold a value of the same type, such as an array of integers or a string of characters. Question number 117. What is the difference between array and structured data type in C++? A. Array are used to store multiple values of the same type, while structured data types are used to store multiple values of different type. B. Array can hold value of different type, while structured data type can hold value of the same data type. C. Array and structured data type are the same thing. D. Array and structured data type are not possible in C++. The answer is A. Array are used to store multiple value of the same type, while structured data type are used to store multiple value of different type, allowing for creation of complex data structure. Question number 118. What is a string manipulation using array in C++? A way to combine a multiple string into single string. B, a way to search for a specific character in string. C, a way to perform operation on individual character in string using an array. D, a way to create an array of string. The answer is C. String manipulation using array in C++ is the way to perform operation on individual characters in a string using an array, allowing for manipulation and the modification of strings. Question number 119. What are multidimensional array in C++? Array that can hold value of different type, array that can hold value of the same type but in different dimension, array that can hold only one value at a time, array that do not exist in C++. The answer is B. Multidimensional array in C++ are arrays that can hold value of the same type but in different dimension, allowing for storage of data in multiple dimensions or layers. Question number 120. What is pointer arithmetic in C++? A way to perform arithmetic operation in pointer, a way to perform arithmetic operation on variable using pointer, a way to perform arithmetic operation on array using pointer. A pointer arithmetic does not exist in C++. The answer is A. A pointer arithmetic in C++ is a way to perform arithmetic operation on pointer, such as incrementing or decrementing the memory address they point to. Question number 121. How are string and pointer related in C++? String and pointer are the same things. String are stored as array of character, and the pointer can be used to access those characters. String are stored as array of pointer, and the pointer can be used to access those pointer. String and the pointer are not related in C++. The answer is B. String in C++ are stored as array of characters and the pointer that can be used to access those characters, allowing for the manipulation and the modification of string. Question number 122. What are writing and reading mode in C++ file input and output? A, different way to write and read data to and from a file. B, different way to open file. A different way to close a file. A different way to delete a file. The answer is A. Writing and reading mode in C++ file input and output are different way to write or read data to and from a file, allowing for storage and retrieval of data in a file. Question number 123. How do you write a file in C++? A, open file in write mode. Use stream insertion operator to write data to the file and close the file. B, open the file in read mode. Use stream extraction operator to write data into the file and close the file. Open the file in read or write mode and use stream insertion operator to write data to the file and close the file. D, writing the file is not possible in C++. The answer is A. To write a file in C++, the file must be opened in write mode. The stream insertion operator can be used to write data to the file, and the file must be closed. Question number 124. What are types of file in C++? File input and output. Text and image file, binary and ASCII file, sequential and random access file, file and directories. The answer is B. The types of file in C++ file input and output include binary and ASCII files, which differ in their representation of data and the way they are stored on disk. Question number 125. What is a graphics in C++? A way to create and manipulate image in a program. B, a way to create and manipulate the text in program. C, a way to create and manipulate audio in program. D, graphics does not exist in C++. The answer is A. Graphics in C++ are used to create and manipulate image in a program, allowing for creation of graphical user interface and other visual elements. Thank you for watching. For more video, please like, share and subscribe to Lamishow too. Thank you.